The president of the Indian Weightlifting Federation, Sahdev Yadav, along with the treasurer of the Indian Olympics Association, Amitabh Sharma, visited Shillong to review preparations for the 39th National Games. During their visit, the officials met with representatives of the government of Meghalaya to discuss the state's readiness and coordination for the upcoming event. This was announced by the president of the Meghalaya Weightlifting Association, Donald Rimbai, who informed that the association facilitated the visit.
Indian Weightlifting Federation Shillong in charge jangka Olympic jangka India evaluation inspection support Meghalaya hantas ke berkat performance ke MSCA Director of Sports ngil berkat mengigu yang guram nak hati Presiden jangi bagi member of Olympic ke India akan sini kau menuju di ngilap badan gok mengigu weightlifting dan bapa Presiden ilakul ekonomi seni sport Meghalaya suah kapor baka national game kadang kapor ini sau benai ini benai stang ar benai dan ngil kapor khamtam ba ông bang yu kwa ba man penkiu ki peliat na Meghalaya khamtam bagi ông baki North East kilong tibatan bor ba ki khna president la ông ba kin sai ki chingerap ban ai ki event support Meghalaya kumi ki kilo India lo nga pha ka sti ban pha in pha sem Meghalaya ya ka kilo India yang in process hino ya ne ba khra bai ka national game te khamjo ai ku play ka government ka bala le ha bahaya kan ka sports unta penkiu yang ya Meghalaya khamtam ngide ki Olympic game hang ni kapor ngai bero iki member mulai dan lang ni pen sendar ni presiden nado na airport hakane kesni bilang kabak komen bal awan hidai federation jangka Olympic jangka India non inspection ko Meghalaya ki player kin sem ni ka kabu ba kini la kai ba ladang inang lok ba thmai ro rei in poi da compete ba yo gila ban job nama ba lang nong sedang